Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again with your English teacher about basic competence 3-2. The first part subjective, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, and object. At the next meeting in a YouTube at the same channel, telling hobbies, favorite thing, occupation or profession. But in this very nice occasion, we would like to focus on subjective, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns, and object. It's okay. Okay, this is the explanation. First, subject is subject, okay, subject, and then possessive adjective, and then possessive pronoun, and then object. Starting from subject I, and then possessive adjective is my, and then possessive pronoun mine, and then don't forget object is me. Alright, what difference between subject and object? Of course, subject is doer. In Indonesian language mean pelaku. And then object is being done or in fact impacted by subject or affected by subject. So in Indonesian language explanation means subject adalah pelaku sedangkan objek adalah yang kena dampak. And then this subject I, and then subject I in possessive adjective must be my, and then possessive pronoun mine, and then object me. He become subject. Possessive adjective is his, and then it is same as possessive pronoun still his, and then object him. Remember this. She for possessive adjective her, and then possessive pronoun hers, and then object her, the same as possessive adjective. And then this, of course, depend on the context. And then it's a possessive adjective become it's with s, and then possessive pronoun still same, it's, and then object it same as subject. So there are two formed in the same shape. It's and it is subject, and it as object, and then it's as possessive adjective, and then it's as possessive pronoun. And this you as a subject, and then your possessive adjective, and then yours possessive pronoun, and then you the same as object and subject. So you maybe become a subject or object depend on the position or depend on a context. And then we as a possessive adjective is our, and then possessive pronoun ours, and then as object is us. Next, the last, they, possessive adjective become their, and then possessive pronoun theirs, and then as a object become them. This explanation, inilah penjelasan pada slide ini. This is the example of the sentence explains in the second slide. I have 3 books. I put my 3 books on the desk, and then the books of mine are on the desk. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, saya memiliki 3 buku, kemudian I di sini sebagai subjek. Kemudian I put my 3 books. Nah, my 3 books sebagai possessive adjective. Kemudian the books of mine, ya, dari kata my books dihilangin menjadi mine. Jadi kalau ada my books, booknya dihilangin menjadi mine. Itu namanya possessive pronoun. Next, kemudian she buys some mangoes. She put her mangoes in the cold storage. Some mice look at her. I remind her to be careful. Baiklah, ini kalimat yang panjang. Kita lihat she sebagai subjek yang melakukan membeli mangga. Kemudian mangganya tadi her mango sebagai possessive adjective. Her mangoes. Kemudian some mice look at hers. Ketika her mangoes diilangin mangoesnya menjadi hers. I remind her to be careful. Saya mengingatkannya, nya tadi sebagai objek. She, subject, her jadinya objek sesuai dengan penjelasan di slide sebelumnya. We study at 118 Junior High School. We don't meet our teachers every day. Our teacher teach us enthusiastically. Nah, we di sini sebagai subjek kita. Kemudian our teachers. Nah, ini possessive adjective dari kata we. Kepunyaan we itu jadinya our teachers. Kemudian our teacher or ours. Nah, our teachernya dihilangin menjadi ours. Teach us, we sebagai subjek ketika us sebagai objek yang kena dampak. Ya, oke. Our teacher teach us enthusiastically. Ya. Us tadi sebagai objek dari we yang sebagai subjek. Kemudian Andy and John study Chinese. They learn it twice a week. Their teacher or theirs love them very much. Nah, ini contoh Andy dan John itu sebagai subjek. Kemudian digantikan subjek Andy dan John digantinya menjadi they. They karena lebih dari satu. Learn it. It itu dari bahasa Chinese. Nah, Chinese tadi menjadi objeknya digantikan dengan it. Kemudian their teachers itu possessive adjektifnya atau diilangin teachernya menjadi possessive pronoun menjadinya theirs. Love them. Jadi subjeknya they ketika menjadi objek adalah them. Terima kasih. This is some exercise. I see blah blah blah. The choice is she, her, hers. Ya, ada kata I see dalam kurung ada she, ada her, ada hers. At her office. At her office. Di sini pilihannya ada 3, yaitu she, her, atau hers. Nah, silahkan pilih di sini bisa she atau her atau hers. Nah, oke, lanjut. At that time, pada waktu itu. Nah, di sini look at. Nah, silahkan pilih subjek. Nah, bisa objek ataupun juga possessive adjective. Silahkan pilih yang tepat sesuai dengan slide 2 penjelasannya. Then they call bla bla bla. Kemudian dia memanggil. Di sini ada pilihannya I, ada mine, ada me. Silahkan pilih yang tepat sebagai apa. Bisa objek, subjek, bisa sebagai possessive adjective, bisa sebagai possessive pronoun. Yang latihan nomor 2. Everyone has to do. Setiap orang harus melakukan. Di sini pilihannya ada his, their, theirs, yours, my. Di sini on research. Kemudian just between you and bla bla bla. Di sini ada pilihan 3, me, I, you, he. I don't like this food. Nah, next, I heard bla bla bla. Pilihannya bisa my, mine, he atau she. Dan di sini like. Nah, di sini semua Anda memilih, kemudian disesuaikan dengan penjelasan di slide 2 yang tentang subjek, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, dan objek. Sekian pertemuan kali ini. See you next time. Good luck and bye-bye.